We represent the mother and the wife of the deceased person.
Yeah, what's the resolution of the court?
Well, today the Honorable Coroner took the testimony of the wife of Mohbad, and she was cross-examined by other counsel, other lawyers that were in court. She was asked questions and she responded duly to those questions. And thereafter, the younger brother of Mohbad was also brought for his own testimony. But because we've had a long day, we came to the conclusion that another date should be fixed for him to take his testimony, to give his evidence at the coroner. So the matter was further adjourned to November 15th, 2023. But one thing is clear, sir, that as lawyers and ministers in the Temple of Justice, we believe that justice will be served. And we want to encourage our people to put their mind at rest, because we believe in the professional competence and the impervious integrity of this honorable coroner. There is no really need for us to start making insinuations on social media. The reason why we are here, the reason why we have the coroner, is to investigate Mohbad and nothing more. And that is what we are here to do, and that is what we have been doing. We are very confident that justice will be served. We are equally very confident that in no distant time, this honorable coroner will answer the question, what caused the death of Mohbad? Why? How did it come about? Who? Or, when it happened. So the circumstances surrounding the death of Mohbad is why we are conducting this coroner. Nothing more. We are not concerned about the family affairs. The essence of the coroner is fact-finding. What killed Mohbad? When? How did it happen? What are the circumstances surrounding the death of Mohbad? And that is why, and that is what our team is doing, and other teams are doing to support the coroner in order to reach the root of the matter.
Thank you.